kakaila ng SB19 ay hindi lamang King of P-pop, sila din ay King of Sold Out. Kaya naman hindi maiwasan ng mga fans na magtanong, especially sa Google na pwede mo nang tanungin, what other pop boy group that had a concert sold out 2 nights in a row on the same stage? Narito po ang sagot. Several major pop boy groups have achieved the rare milestone of selling out 2 consecutive nights in a row at the exact same stage. Here are a few historic examples. BTS, the global pop superstars, sold out 2 historic stadium shows on the same stage at Citi Field in New York in 2018, as well as Pasadena's Rose Bowl in 2019. After ng BTS na talaga namang sikat na sikat, sino nga ba ang sumunod pa? Ang Stray Kids. In 2025, they became a dominant force by selling out 2 consecutive nights at Globe Life Field in Texas. After naman ng Stray Kids, ang Tomorrow X Together or TXT in 2024, they have made history as the first K-pop act to sell out 2 nights in a row at Madison Square Garden in New York. And ngayong nga pong 2025, SB19, this prominent Filipino boy group made headlines in 2025 by selling out back-to-back nights at the massive Philippine Arena. So narito po yung total ng mga nanood. Of the 4 pop boy groups listed, SB19 had the highest total attendance for their 2 nights back-to-back concert. The total attendance figures for each group's consecutive 2 nights run breakdown as follows. SB19 Philippine Arena 2025, 100,000 plus total attendees by selling out the world's largest indoor arena for 2 consecutive nights. They drew roughly 50,000 fans per night. Stray Kids Globe Life Field 2025 is 69,000 total attendees. Their historic 2-night stop in Arlington, Texas brought in an impressive record-breaking stadium crowd. Ang next naman po ay ang BTS. Citi Field 2018, 40,000 total attendees, while BTS has played 2 much larger multi-night crowds later in their career, such as the Rose Bowl and etc. etc. Next naman po ay ang Tomorrow X Together or TXT Madison Square Garden 2024, 40,000 total attendees. Google explained kung sino nga po ba yung parehong na sold out, pare-parehong sold out ang mga concert na ito, pero sino yung may pinakamaraming attendees. At ayon nga sa nasabing research and alam naman natin na ito ay may katotohanan, ang SB19 ang may pinakamaraming attendees sa kanilang concert dahil umabot po ito ng 100,000 sa 2 araw na parehong sold out. So 50,000 and 50,000. So hindi natin alam kung may umulit ba or ito ay yung mga tao na talagang hindi nakapanood nung nasabi nga pong concert noong day 1. So ganun po talaga gumastos ang mga fans ng SB19. Grabe po kasolid, kasupportive. Iyan ang wala sa iba. Ang SB19, ang kanila nga pong fans ay family. Kaya naman po, sa lahat-lahat ng journey ng SB19, kasama ang 18. Well, ano masasabi niyo about dito? Ilagay na ang inyong opinion sa ating comment section. Images or all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching Showbiz Now.